My name is Derek. I'm a professional mattress tester with 11 years of experience, having tested over 500 mattresses to date, and today we're finding the best affordable mattresses. We test mattresses with a battery of objective and data-driven tests. If you'd like to see exactly how we test, score, and select these winners, we've got links in the description. Without further ado, here is our list for the 8 best affordable mattresses. Next step, we're going to dive into each mattress to review its performance, pros, cons, price, and help you determine the best mattress for you. Starting with our number 1 pick, it's the Leesa Original. The Leesa Original is a 10-inch foam mattress made of polyfoam, memory foam, and a support foam. It's topped with a soft knit cover with the option to upgrade to a cooling quilt top instead for an additional $185. The Leesa Original is available in a single firmness level, medium firm. That's a 6 out of 10, where 10 is the most firm. This mattress has moderate sinkage and low levels of bounce. The topmost layer is polyfoam that feels more like a latex foam, which gives it a more generalized contour and hug around the body. In our performance test, this mattress earned an overall score of 9.00, ranking the mattress in the top 20% among all mattresses tested to date, and in the top 12% for just foam models. This is also the best medium firm mattress we've tested under $1,000 so far. The Leesa Original is $999 for a queen, which is 33% less expensive than the average. This is an absolute steal for a mattress with above average scores in 6 out of our 8 testing categories. Next up, with our number 2 pick, it's the Brooklyn Bedding CopperFlex Pro. Brooklyn Bedding CopperFlex Pro Hybrid is a 14.5-inch memory foam hybrid mattress made of 2 thick layers of memory foam, polyfoam, pocket coil unit, and support foam base. For its cover, we see a 1.25-inch thick quilted layer that has a hexagonal stitching pattern and uses materials designed to pull heat away from you as you sleep. The CopperFlex Pro Hybrid is available in a single firmness level, medium firm. That's a 6 out of 10, where 10 is the most firm. This mattress has moderate sinkage and low levels of bounce. It provides a feel that lies on the border of dramatic hug and bounce. This formulation of memory foam is more modern, making it quicker to respond, and includes copper to aid in cooling performance. Its affordability is shocking to see from such a thick design. The 7-inch comfort layer is practically unheard of at this price point. Furthermore, 4 inches of memory foam is much more than most memory foam hybrids we test, not to mention its good quality and overall excellent price. In our performance test, this mattress earned an overall score of 8.97, ranking the mattress in the top 24% among all mattresses tested to date. The CopperFlex Pro Hybrid is $999 for a queen, which is 33% less expensive than the average. Compared to just memory foam hybrids, the CopperFlex saves even more by being 39% less expensive than the average. Altogether, this is a fantastic option, especially if you prioritize cooling. Our number 3 pick is the Glacier Original. The Glacier Original is a 12-inch hybrid mattress made of gel memory foam, polyfoam, and an 8-inch pocket coil unit. Its cover is quilted and includes a thin layer of graphite-infused memory foam to help with cooling. The Glacier Original is available in a single firmness level, medium firm, as a 6 out of 10, where 10 is the most firm. This mattress has moderate sinkage and low levels of bounce. Its classic memory foam feel limits bounce, but the thicker polyfoam layer balances out its contour from being too exacting around the body. The Original includes nicer design elements, including infused memory foam to aid in cooling, zoned lumbar support, and reinforced edge coils that are surprising at this price point. The quilting in the cover is also a nice touch that is unexpected at this level. In our performance test, this mattress earned an overall score of 8.95, ranking the mattress in the top 25% among all mattresses tested to date. The Glacier Original is $799 for a queen, which is 46% less expensive than the average. For a 12-inch hybrid, this is an incredible deal. In addition, Glacier also offers 2 upgraded versions, the Summit and the Apex, if you find your budget can stretch a little further. Next up, we have the Boring Hybrid. The Boring Hybrid is a 10-inch hybrid mattress made of polyfoam, pocket coils, and a support foam base. This mattress is available in a single firmness level, medium firm. That's a 6 out of 10, where 10 is the most firm. This mattress has deep sinkage and high levels of bounce. This includes a balanced body contour and a more restrained hug. The reason the Boring Hybrid is so affordable comes down to its thin, simple design. Where the average mattress has a 12.2-inch thickness, this mattress uses a thinner pocket coil unit and less comfort foam that totals only 10 inches. inches. Yet, it still achieves great performance, although its thin design is less suitable for heavier weighted bodies. In our performance test, this mattress earned an overall score of 8.93, ranking the mattress in the top 27% among all mattresses tested to date. The Boring Hybrid is $799 for a queen, which makes it tied with the Glacier Original for the lowest priced mattress on this list. Overall, the Boring is exactly what they claim. Simple, but with solid performance. If you're under 250 pounds, this is a fantastic choice. With the next spot on our list, we have the Latex Mattress Factory Luxerion Hybrid. The Luxerion Hybrid is a 12-inch latex hybrid mattress made of organic cotton cover, 3 inches of perforated tallow latex, a pocketed coil unit, and a base support foam. The LMF Luxerion Hybrid is available in a single firmness, medium firm. That's a 6 out of 10 on our firmness scale. This mattress has a moderate sinkage and moderate levels of bounce. The feel of the Luxerion is largely created by the single 3-inch latex layer, which creates a more generalized hug around the body. Latex hybrids are one of the most expensive mattress types. For the Luxerion Hybrid to be so affordable, we can point to the limited 3-inch comfort layer, thinner than average 6.5-inch coil unit, and more simple design. In our performance test, this mattress earned an overall score of 8.88, 29% among all mattresses tested to date. If we look at latex hybrids, which perform better on average, it still ranks in the top 36%. The LMF Luxerion Hybrid is $979 for a queen, which is 33% less expensive than the average mattress we've tested. Furthermore, it's nearly half the price of the average latex hybrid. Overall, the Luxerion is an incredible opportunity to try out a latex hybrid for a fraction of the typical price. Next up, we have the Novosbed. The Novosbed is a memory foam mattress with a 4-inch comfort layer and 7-inch support layer. It has 3 layers of memory foam that make up the complete comfort layer and has great pressure relief. The Novosbed comes in 3 firmness levels: soft, medium firm, and firm. This wide firmness range makes it a good choice for many sleeper preferences. This mattress has minimal sinkage and low levels of bounce, maintaining the classic memory foam feel. It won't leave you feeling stuck, but it does offer more hug and body contouring. The reason the Novosbed is so affordable is largely due to its all-foam design. This mattress is able to achieve fantastic results through the smart use of different kinds of memory foam on top of a support foam base. In our performance test, Novosbed had an overall score of 8.87, ranking the mattress in the top 30% among all mattresses tested to date. However, it's ranked in the top 5% if we look exclusively at memory foam mattresses. And it's even cheaper. A queen-size Novosbed is just $999. That's 2% less expensive than the average memory foam mattress we've tested, and considering all mattress types, the Novosbed is 32% less expensive than average. This means price savings across the board without any notable performance disadvantages. If you love the feel of all foam mattresses, this is a solid, affordable pick for couples. Moving right along, we have the Zoma Hybrid. The Zoma Hybrid makes the list for the best affordable mattresses thanks to its budget price and above average performance. This mattress is a 12-inch hybrid mattress with a mix of memory foam, polyfoam, and pocketed coils for support. This mattress comes in 1 firmness. It's a 5 out of 10, where 10 is the most firm. This gives the mattress a medium feel. This feel is suitable for a wide range of sleepers, being especially beneficial for side sleepers. The Zoma Hybrid has a moderate level of bounce and deep sinkage. A top layer of gel memory foam provides good contour to sleepers of any sleeping position. The Zoma Hybrid packs a lot of value in at under $1,000. To have both zone support coils and reinforced edges is very rare at this price point. While it would have been nice to see an extra inch of comfort material, the dense 2-inch memory foam layer combined with the above features creates outstanding pressure relief. The overall performance score for the Zoma Hybrid is an 8.86. Looking at all of the mattresses we tested to date, the Zoma performs in the top 32%. Among hybrids, the Zoma ranks in the top 38%. The Zoma Hybrid is $979 for a queen, which is 36% less expensive than the average hybrid, a savings of $551. If you're on a very tight budget but want the performance and feel of a hybrid, the Zoma does not disappoint. Next up, we have the Silk & Snow Hybrid. The Silk & Snow Hybrid is an 11.5-inch hybrid with a very budget-friendly price and one of the best affordable mattresses we've tested to date. This mattress is made of polyfoam, pocket coils, and a 1-inch quilted cover. The Silk & Snow Hybrid is available in 3 firmness levels: soft, medium firm, and firm. We test the medium firm, which we rate at a 6 out of 10 on our firmness scale, where 10 is the most firm. Medium firm is ideal for most body types, but it's great that Silk & Snow offers a soft and firm option as well. This This mattress creates a deeper level of sinkage and high bounce. This kind of feel is best suited for sleepers looking for deeper contour, which is especially beneficial for side sleepers. From an affordability standpoint, the Zoma Hybrid stretches every penny into the 11.5-inch design that includes a nice quilted cover and zone pocket coil unit, which provides more support in the middle of the mattress. On the other hand, it only has 3 inches of comfort material, which is a bit thinner than the 4.26-inch average. In our performance test, the Zoma Hybrid had a score of 8.86, which ranks it in the top 33% among all mattresses tested to date, and the top 38% if we compare all mattress types. One of the biggest advantages of this mattress is the price. The mattress comes in at just $800 for a queen, making it an exceptionally good value, being $725 less expensive than the average hybrid. Looking at the mattresses that outperform the Silk & Snow, very few of them do so with a lower price tag. And there you have it. Affordable mattresses have been extremely competitive lately, and I think there are a lot of solid options out there. But if these are still too much of a stretch for your budget, we have a list of even cheaper mattresses right here for you to watch.